Having a closer look on this thing, on the top you have a power button that you can change to different modes on here, or you can use the app to change them because it does connect to their Aiper app. Also, you have a charging port on this side and a nice little handle on this side. And it's not super light, but it's also not super heavy either. Like 2 hands, easy, no problem. You know, 1 arm, it takes a little bit. That'd actually be a good workout. But I do love how it's super easy to take out of the pool with this hook. You just float this thing along and then you just lift it out. You have filters inside which are easy to take out and clean, and then you can just pop them back in, and you have tank-like wheels on here which keep it glued to the ground and the walls. So one of my favorite features is that it's cordless. Just throw this thing in, it sinks to the bottom, and it starts working. So you don't have any big tubes floating in your pool, and it works with in-ground pools up to 2,150 square feet and any type of pool shape. And it will clean for about 3 hours, and when it's done, it'll just sit there waiting to be picked up. There are 5 cleaning modes on here. There's auto, floor only, wall only, waterline, and eco, where eco will run for about 40 minutes every 48 hours and just maintain the pool's cleanliness throughout the week. And when it does the walls, it goes all the way up, not like our other skimmer, it just kind of goes halfway up. This thing goes all the way up, and it also does the stairs. The Scuba S1 Pro features dual active PVC rollers and a quad brushless motor system, maximizing power for enhancing scrubbing and suction. And with the WaveLine technology, the Scuba S1 Pro just excels at waterline cleaning. So instead of having stuff on the waterline, this will go up to that and just clean that off. It has advanced sensors to determine its location in the pool, giving it a thorough clean on the floor, the walls, and the waterline. And with that 5-liter, 180 micron filter and a 3 micron secondary filter, the Scuba S1 Pro can pick up tiny particles. So from our experience, this is the best the pool has looked, and it's also been hassle-free.